Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I'm doing something that I have never even thought of doing before if it would have not been for quarantine. And as you read by the title, I am going to be coloring my hair. Oh my god. So this is going to be my partner for today. Like, I have no idea what is going to happen. I'm so nervous because I've never tried doing anything like that before, but I have finally taken down all the guts to color my hair and do something different and ekdam atrangi during quarantine. So I have bought the Garnier Color Naturals Creme Rich Hair Color, and this is in the shade Caramel Brown. Now I did not want to go into like blues, purples, neons and all, I am not that kind of an adventurous person. If you are, then thumbs up, good for you, but not for me. Like, I'm really nervous. Even brown, I've chosen a brown which is like my own hair color, but yeah, it definitely will have a different color. I really like this color. It's really subtle, not at all on your face. So now quickly I'm going to be showing you what you get inside this box. Now you get a total of 5 things. You get a pair of gloves, which I think is so handy. Then you also get this. Now what this is the Garnier Color Naturals Cream Hair Colorant. So this is basically the color without which you will not be able to color your hair. This is the color, and you have to mix this into that. So this is the developer milk, and along with this you also get 2 sachets of the conditioner that you have to apply post your color application. And you also have this is an instructions manual. This is a very detailed instructions manual. You can read and understand how to do, what are the do's and what are the don'ts. So these 5 products you get in this. I know I have to do this, but this is a small disclaimer that
I am not a hairstylist or anyone related to the hair professional, because whatever I say is what I have read.
Now what you have to do 24 hours before applying this is that you have to conduct an allergy test. You have to take a little bit of this product and put it behind your ears, and then you have to wait for 24 hours to see if anything happens, like any rashes, any itching, any irritation. Then you know that this product is not for you. And if you have any form of allergy or anything, please consult a doctor and then use this. Another very important thing I read in this leaflet is that you cannot have any metal around you. For example, these clips right now, they are metal, so I have to open them. You have to remove your earrings because the color reacts with metal, so you have to use everything like plastic or glass. Now this product comes with really good quantities. For example, the colorant is of 60 grams and the developer milk is of 60 ml, so it's really good amount for you to apply maybe 2 to 3 times. That's what I'm going to be doing, but for today I am going to be using half of both of these. So I got this bowl. Now this is basically like in our house we use this for all the dye and coloring of hair and stuff, and you also need a brush like this to mix both of them together. So I'm putting in the colorant first. Now I'm adding the developer milk. I don't know, I have worn like a towel because I don't want to spoil this, and I'm so nervous now. I have also tied one section of my hair in the form of a bun so that it doesn't come and I can concentrate on this. I have my mixture ready with me. Please remember to put good amounts of Vaseline on your forehead, ears, neck, because you should not like let the color touch your body and remain there. So I don't know, roughly I think I have completed like coloring all the parts I wished to color, because I wanted like concentrated towards the ends and then slowly fades away when it comes on top. But I do have a considerable amount of color still left, so I'm planning to do one more time so that, you know, aur ubhar ke aaye. So let's try. Now I have completed 2 layers of putting this on my hair. Like I did not do, you know, section by section. As you saw, I roughly went through it. I would like to have, you know, some highlight streaks in the middle, and this is not golden. And when I mean golden, I'm so thankful. You know, there is one particular golden which is like chapri golden types. This is like a very subtle Tapsi's caramel brown. So I'm going to go a little overboard with this. I'm going to just take some and apply them on my finger. Now I don't know why I don't want to mess around with my scalp and go anywhere close to the scalp. So I'm always starting it from here maybe, or you know, only towards the ends. Okay, now that I have applied my color, I had read in the box or on the instruction leaflet that if I want a natural caramel brown color, then I have to let it stay on my hair for 30 minutes. But if you want like a deep, you know, like the color to actually show up, then you have to wait for 45 minutes before you have your shower with the conditioner that they have provided. Now the price of the product is, the MRP is 180 rupees. I think that is so reasonable, because if I would have got the exact same color from any parlor or any salon, then they would have charged like double, triple of it. But I actually ended up getting it from Amazon for 150 rupees. I will link the product in the description box for you, so even you can check it out if you want to. The color is going to be locked in your hair for 8 weeks, which happens to be 2 months. Now this is a very amateur way of doing what I did. Please do not replicate if you do not trust the way I did. But I just hope the results are as beautiful as my memory of coloring my hair. Now one thing that I noticed was when I applied this, it had a very, very mild fragrance, which means there is less of chemicals. I'm going to be using one conditioner and finally revealing to you what my hair looks like.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember?
And so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching my first time hair transformation video. Now the shade that I took, Tapsi's Caramel Brown, was a little dark for my hair because I have naturally black hair. So next time I'll not make this mistake again and take a lighter shade. But other than that, I really love the way my hair feels and looks and all. So I hope this has helped you. If you want to even color your hair, Please like, share, comment and subscribe. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.